Lesson number 5, Lektion 5, German Vocab Part 2, Important German Adjectives. Groß means big, groß means big. Klein means small, klein means small. Gut means good, good means good. Schlecht means bad, schlecht means bad. Neu means new, neu means new. Alt means old, alt means old. Schnell means fast, schnell means fast. Langsam means slow, langsam means slow. Teuer means expensive, teuer means expensive. Billig means cheap, billig means cheap. Kalt means cold, kalt means cold. Warm means warm, warm means warm. Heiß means hot, heiß means hot. Leicht means light, light means light. Schwer means heavy, schwer means heavy. Schön means beautiful, schön means beautiful. Hässlich means ugly, hässlich means ugly. Einfach means easy, einfach means easy. Schwierig means difficult, schwierig means difficult. Glücklich means happy, glücklich means happy. Means sad, traurig means sad. Interessant means interesting, interessant means interesting. Langweilig means boring, langweilig means boring. Müde means tired, müde means tired. Wach means awake, wach means awake. Vergewöhnlich means friendly, vergewöhnlich means friendly. Unvergewöhnlich means unfriendly, unvergewöhnlich means unfriendly. Nett means nice, nett means nice. Gemein means mean, gemein means mean. Stark means strong, stark means strong. Schwach means weak, schwach means weak. Sauber means clean, sauber means clean. Schmutzig means dirty, schmutzig means dirty. Lang means long, lang means long. Kurz means short, kurz means short. Hell means bright, hell means bright. Dunkel means dark, dunkel means dark. Loud means loud, loud means loud. Leise means quiet, leise means quiet. Gesund means healthy, gesund means healthy. Krank means sick, krank means sick. Reich means rich, reich means rich. Arm means poor, arm means poor. Wichtig means important, wichtig means important. Unwichtig means unimportant, unwichtig means unimportant. Früh means early, früh means early. Spät means late, spät means late. Sicher means safe, sicher means safe. Gefährlich means dangerous, gefährlich means dangerous. Gistisch means correct or right, gistisch means correct or right. False means wrong, false means wrong. Full means full, full means full. Leer means empty, leer means empty. Altmodisch means old-fashioned, altmodisch means old-fashioned. Modern means modern, modern means modern. Bekannt means known or famous, bekannt means known or famous. Unbekannt means unknown, unbekannt means unknown. Möglich means possible, möglich means possible. Unmöglich means impossible, unmöglich means impossible. Näher means near, näher means near. Fern means far, fern means far. Dune means thin, dune means thin. Dick means thick or fat, dick means thick or fat. Full means full, full means full. Leia means empty, leia means empty. Lecker means tasty, lecker means tasty. Eklig means disgusting, eklig means disgusting. Geduldig means patient, geduldig means patient. Ungeduldig means impatient, ungeduldig means impatient. Neugierig means curious, neugierig means curious. Höflich means polite, Höflich means polite. Unhöflich means impolite. Unhöflich means impolite. Großzügig means generous. Großzügig means generous. Geizig means stingy. Geizig means stingy. Zuverlässig means reliable. Zuverlässig means reliable. Unzuverlässig means unreliable. Unzuverlässig means unreliable. Creative means creative. Creative means creative. Foul means lazy. Foul means lazy. Fleißig means hardworking. Fleißig means hardworking. Zufrieden means content. Zufrieden means content. Unzufrieden means dissatisfied. Unzufrieden means dissatisfied. Stolz means proud. Stolz means proud. Schüchtern means shy. Schüchtern means shy. Mutig means brave. Mutig means brave. Angustish means anxious. Angustish means anxious. Shoes means sweet. Shoes means sweet. Zava means sour. Zava means sour. Stark means strong. Stark means strong. Weich means soft. Weich means soft. Hard means hard. Hard means hard. Guhish means calm. Guhish means calm. Unguhish means restless. Unguhish means restless. Billish means cheap. Billish means cheap. Toya means expensive. Toya means expensive.
Lesson number 5. Important German adverbs.
Soon. Bald means soon. Lesson number 5. Lektion 5. Important German adverbs. Heute means today. Heute means today. Gestern means yesterday. Gestern means yesterday. Morgen means tomorrow. Morgen means tomorrow. Jetzt means now. Jetzt means now. Bald means soon. Bald means soon. Sofort means immediately. Sofort means immediately. Früher means earlier. Früher means earlier. Später means later. Später means later. Manchmal means sometimes. Manchmal means sometimes. Immer means always. Immer means always. Nie means never. Nie means never. Selten means rarely. Selten means rarely. Oft means often. Oft means often. Normalerweise means normally. Normalerweise means normally. Vielleicht means maybe. Vielleicht means maybe. Wahrscheinlich means probably. Wahrscheinlich means probably. Gerne means gladly. Gerne means gladly. Lieber means rather. Lieber means rather. Ziemlich means quiet. Ziemlich means quiet. Sehr means very. Sehr means very. Kaum means hardly. Kaum means hardly. Genug means enough. Genug means enough. Mehr means more. Mehr means more. Weniger means less. Weniger means less. Genauso means exactly. Genauso means exactly. Fast means almost. Fast means almost. Besonders means especially. Besonders means especially. Vielleicht means perhaps. Vielleicht means perhaps. Außerdem means besides. Außerdem means besides. Übrigens means by the way. Übrigens means by the way. Trotzdem means nevertheless. Trotzdem means nevertheless. Deshalb means therefore. Deshalb means therefore. Daher means hence. Daher means hence. Dort means there. Dort means there. Hier means here. Here means here. Überall means everywhere. Überall means everywhere. Nirgendwo means now here. Nirgendwo means now here. The Gaussian means outside. The Gaussian means outside. Daginen means inside. Daginen means inside. Oben means up. Oben means up. Unten means down. Unten means down. Links means left. Link means left. Guest means right. Guest means right. Gerardus means straight ahead. Gerardus means straight ahead. Under us
Regardez
means
aus.
differently. Under us means differently. Genauso means exactly the same. Genauso means exactly the same. Zusammen means together. Zusammen means together. Align means alone. Align means alone. Einfach means simply. Einfach means simply. Shreya means hard, difficulty. Shreya means hard and difficultly. Leicht means easily. Leicht means easily. Langsam means slowly. Langsam means slowly. Schnell means quickly. Schnell means quickly. Leise means quietly. Leise means quietly. Laut means loudly. Loud means loudly. Vergewöhnlich means kindly. Vergewöhnlich means kindly. Unfreiwillig means unwillingly. Unfreiwillig means unwillingly. Hoffentlich means hopefully. Hoffentlich means hopefully. Leider means unfortunately. Leider means unfortunately. Glücklicherweise means fortunately. Glücklicherweise means fortunately. Tatsächlich means actually. Tatsächlich means actually. Kaum means barely. Kaum means barely. Wahrscheinlich means probably. Wahrscheinlich means probably. Sicher means surely. Sicher means surely. Absichtlich means intentionally. Absichtlich means intentionally. Versehentlich means accidentally. Versehentlich means accidentally. Bewusst means consciously. Bewusst means consciously. Gleich means immediately. Gleich means immediately. Vida means again. Vida means again. Knock means till. Knock means till. Shown means already. Shown means already. Gerade means just. Gerade means just. Natürlich means
Ge-
naturally. Natürlich
Gegade means just. Naturlich
means naturally. Wirklich means really. Wirklich means really. Offensichtlich means obviously. Offensichtlich means obviously. Ernsthaft means seriously. Ernsthaft means seriously. Guhish means calmly. Guhish means calmly. Plötzlich means suddenly. Plötzlich means suddenly. Langsam means slowly. Langsam means slowly. Normalerweise means usually. Normalerweise means usually. Oft means often. Oft means often. Selten means rarely. Selten means rarely. Häufig means frequently. Häufig means frequently. Ebenso means likewise. Ebenso means likewise. Sonst means otherwise. Sonst means otherwise. Daneben means beside it. Daneben means beside it. The Guben means over there. The Guben means over there. Übrigens means incidentally. Übrigens means incidentally. Gleichzeitig means simultaneously. Gleichzeitig means simultaneously. Teilweise means partially. Teilweise means partly. Vollständig means completely. Vollständig means completely. Vermutlich means presumably. Vermutlich means presumably. Niemals means never. Niemals means never. Sowieso means anyway. Sowieso means anyway. Tatsächlich means indeed. Tatsächlich means indeed.
ओके जानवी अच्छा हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आप लोगों से एक चीज कहना चाहता हूँ। देखो, जो मेरी लेसन 4 या लेसन 5 की वोकैबुलरी है, देखो इसमें इम्पोर्टेंट वोकैबुलरी तो है, लेकिन एक चीज का ध्यान रखना, ये हमारी ना न्यू लैंग्वेज है। तो हम सोचे कि हमें 1 या 2 दिन में ये सारी वोकैबुलरी याद हो जाएगी, तो नहीं। इसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा क्या करना है, थोड़ा सा 2 से 3 बार आपको ये वीडियो देखनी है, ठीक है। उसके बाद में थोड़ा सा आपको लिखना भी, लिख के भी प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि न्यू लैंग्वेज है, एकदम से माइंड कैच नहीं कर पाता है वोकैब को। तो धीरे धीरे, यानी कि एक दिन में आप 20 करो, फिर अगले दिन 20 करो, तो ऐसे करते करते आपको वोकैबुलरी हो जाएगी, ठीक है। तो ऐसे आपको करना है, ठीक है। चलो, ओके।